The advanced version of Sourwood Mountain is pretty darn similar to the basic version, but we're just having a little extra rhythms in here to make it a little bit more bouncy. So before we just had F, A, A, B, D, A, F. So right now we're just doubling up some of these notes. And we have this classic shuffle right there. We have that shuffle pattern down here. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, and. So this is more of a pickup note right here that's leading us into our next measure. We don't have that in the beginning, but we have it right there, and it's going to continue on. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3. And this is the pickup note leading us into that. D, E, F, F, A, A. Right here, we're leaving that down, just like we've done in other things. Leave that second finger down. F, F, A, A, F, D, E, D, D, B, A, A. Same fingers that we had for the basic version. We're just doubling up some of those. So happy, so happy. D, 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 F, A, B, A, F, E, D. So all of those are the same. That's our like thing throughout the whole piece. D, D, E, same as before. D, F, F, A, F, E, D, E, D, D, B, A, A, D, 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 F, A, B, A, F, E, D. I want you to pluck through this, and it's going to be very similar to what we did before, but getting comfortable with our particular rhythm. So let's do that right off the bat. F, F, A, A. So let's go right into it. F, A. 1, 2, and ready, go. And F, A, B, D, D, A, F. And B pulls behind. A, B, A, F, E, D. So that might feel a little bit different, especially for your bow. So let's do that measure. Starting measure 3 at that B, the first beat. Ready, go. B, 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 A, B, A, F, E, D. Walk up. D, E, F. Open A. 1, 3, 3, A, F, F. B behind. Walk up. Now this is similar to what we did in the past, but we're bouncing back and forth. F, F, A, F. I'm leaving that second finger down on my D string because I'm coming right back to it. So let's take it from that pickup note, which means the notes that are leading into it. D, E, F, F. That's where we're starting. Ready and go. And D, E, F, F, A, F, D. B to D. A, B, A, F, E, D. Walk it up. Two is B. All right, so let's do this with our bow, and we're going to do it at 70. 1, 2, and 3. So that's our whole half whole. Now, if you want to get really fancy with this, you would do the real shuffle. And the real shuffle, we have an accent on the 2 and the 4. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Now, the way that I recommend practicing this is just playing the same note over and over again, doing just open strings. And you can do it with double stops as well, so that you can really loosen up and make sure that you're not pressing through the strings when you're doing this. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. It's really weird to accent the 2 and the 4 for us because we're so used to doing the 1 and the 3, but we're going to have some culture here and do 2 and 4 with this. Work that in slowly and do it with a metronome. Right now I'm going to avoid doing any accents just so that we can really focus on getting our fingers in our bow, doing wholes and half bows. 1, 2, and ready, go. And whole bow, half, whole, half. Now, I would really highly suggest you to record yourself playing this, but like watching yourself play it too. I know that's a really yucky feeling to do, but we got to get past that, and that's what's going to make us better instrumentalists. Trust me, making these videos is really weird for me. So watching that you're doing the complete bows that you should be, especially while going onto the G string, because we're not comfortable doing that all the time. We're still newbies, and we're like trying to play it safe. But use the whole entire bow, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and you get to learn how to use that G string a little bit more. You have to dig into it more, and it can be a really fun string to play with. I mean, all of them are, but working with how grippy we want it to be, it can be really exciting. So don't be afraid to explore new sounds, or see what you have to do to get gritty, or even try these with double subs or slide. So another fun thing to do with this is a slide. So I'll start this one off with a slide. We're supposed to start on an F sharp. So if I slide up from an F natural to an F sharp, bum, 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 and I could do that B, then B, I'm doing a low 1 to a regular 1. So starting it off, and so I use my first finger as a reference point, and I bum, 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 and you can practice that over and over. You can do each finger. That's 4, I forgot that. So I usually start off with just like a half step. We don't need to do like a full like 3 notes. That's a whole lot, unless that's the feeling that you're going for, but not necessary for the timing that we have for this. So I put that in the beginning of the first measure, second, here, why not? Slide. Why not here? So we don't want to do too much, but putting some in, and then you can always experiment with the double stops as well. So that's just doubling. I'm having a drum behind it on either the D or the A string. So experiment. See what sounds good. Happy practice, and try it out with a metronome maybe, or a backing track.